They're spooky cute and scary simple. These Halloween treats will delight ghouls and goblins of all ages. Founder and the Sweet Tooth Fairy Bakeries, Megan Faulkner Brown. She's here and she's joining me in the kitchen for some spooky fun. And I love that you come and you help us sometimes make things simple because I think we look at your stuff and we're like, we could never do what Megan does, but you've got some store-bought treats this time.
Yes, okay, I'm gonna show you, because listen, life is busy.
Yes.
We all have a million things going on, but then we have this drive to be a little festive and, you know, like have stuff when the kids come home or if you have stuff for your neighbors or whatever. So this is so easy, it's almost painful how easy it is.
Okay, I love it. Okay, up first you've got Oreos.
Yes, okay, so here's the key. Melting chocolate. Okay, so this isn't real chocolate. You don't have to temper it. You just throw it in the microwave. That's all you got to do.
You just like to buy those little discs?
Yes.
Okay.
So I actually have some in Michael's stores, and they're called meltables, but you can get them at other, you know, Walmart has some, Joanne has some. They're all over.
Might as well get them from the source.
Yeah, so all you do, put them in a microwave-safe bowl, nuke it for a few minutes, not a few minutes, probably about a minute or so. And then you just take your Oreo and you dip it in there, put it on some parchment paper or wax paper.
And is this what we're trying to make, like this little,
just this little guy.
Cute little guy.
And then you're gonna have, you know, have some of these festive sprinkles. And you can find, I have some eyeballs as well that are, you know, available to purchase. And, but you can find little eyeballs at craft stores and just in the, you know, kitchen aisles of grocery stores. I know.
And then
so
look
cute,
how darling that is.
I know.
And this
so
is something you can make and have ready for the kids when they come home, or have them make them with you.
Oh, 100%. I know. You will be like mom of the year, right? Because what kid doesn't love to just play with sugar?
And so these are some of your eyeballs that you've created, but you could use any eyes, you're saying.
Yeah,
that is
totally.
so cute.
You could use chocolate chips. You could use Cheerios, just any little round, anything that you have already in your pantry to get that, you know, little eyeball look.
I really love the green. I think the green
is cute,
so fun. Yes.
So fun.
Okay, so easy. Thank you.
So easy. Okay, and then similarly, these are just donuts from the bakery section at Walmart.
Let's see, this is what we're going to make, this cute little donut right here with, again, the eyeball. The eyeballs just
I know they kind of make it. I know, it's true. It's true. And again, you can find them on Amazon. You can find them all over, but Michael should have a good little stock of them. So we're gonna use, I just put some of the meltables in a Ziploc bag because I forgot one of my supplies coming here today.
That's okay.
So all we're gonna do, all you're gonna do is take this donut, you're gonna take your melted chocolate and you're just gonna drizzle like this. This one's actually a pumpkin spice flavor, so it's very, very good. And then
sometimes
again,
you can find donuts already with that on it.
Yes,
but
absolutely.
You can make it yourself.
Yes, and again, you can just put on these cute little eyes. You can use any sprinkle. You can use, you know, let's say you wanted to make it kind of an Oreo flavor. You could use store-bought
Oreo.
Yeah, you could use store-bought vanilla frosting and just drizzle it on there, then crush up some Oreos, and then now you have yourself a little
And you're totally
Oreo.
changing the personality of it depending on these eyeballs, because we've got these cute little bloodshot eye ones, but you have these huge ones too.
Yes.
And you can kind of mix and match.
Yes, for sure. And in fact, if I steal one of these bags, we have some of those bigger eyeballs in here. So yeah, and you can do, you know, not all monsters are created equal. So some monsters have big eyes, some monsters have 2, 3 eyes, you know, I don't know.
And you've got these are your Sweet Tooth Fairy ones, and are the big ones yours too? The big eyeballs?
Yes,
okay.
Yes, so they come in
they
this
all
little
come
assortment.
in this. Look at that. It's just a
so
little
cute.
grab bag. You can get everything you need, really.
Yeah, actually though. So then we have these cute, we're gonna make little spiders.
Okay, we're gonna make these little, I was wondering what you were gonna use for the legs when I heard you were, I was like, is she gonna do licorice? No,
yeah,
you're doing
just pretzels, literally. So you can put one of your kiddos on breaking, you know, just these little twist pretzels in half, and you kind of gut the center, and then you have these little legs.
And if you're like me, you love the salty and sweet.
Yeah,
so that's gonna be yummy.
Without question, yeah. And then you literally just jam it into the,
jam it right in there. Oh, how
jam
easy.
It right in, so easy. And then you can take, so imagine we continued all those steps, and then you can just take, let's do the big ones.
Big eyeballs on there.
Yeah, and you can just take some of the chocolate, to adhere the eyeballs.
That's all you need, just a little frosting.
a
Or the
little.
meltable, that's what you used. Yeah.
Just a little bit.
Oh my gosh,
And then-
so cute.
So cute. Huh? So then, yeah, you would just obviously repeat the process to add the rest of the legs.
And then you've got pretzel mummies.
Yeah, so pretzel mummies. So these we don't have the white today,
but
but that's
do
okay.
white,
I would probably do white. And you can just take a spoon and you kind of just give it a nice little lather. And then before this step though too, you could dip it in like caramel. So you could do like caramel pretzels.
Double, yummy.
Yeah. And then I would put it on our little crowded parchment paper with our little cutie little monsters. And then you want to stick 2 eyes on there.
Okay.
And then,
I like the mix and match.
yeah, they're fun, huh?
Yes.
So then, in the interest of time, normally I would like have this in a Ziploc bag so that I could then
Like you showed us with the donut.
Yeah, then you could drizzle it, but you can also just take a spatula or spoon, definitely a different kind of drizzle look.
Yeah, either
but-
fat or thin, whatever
Yeah.
you want to go for.
And then you just let it set up.
And you
And then-
come out with those
Yes.
little cute pretzel mummies.
Cute little mummies.
I
So fun and so easy.
So easy.
So
Again,
easy.
I just love that you can do this and have them ready for your kids or have your kids help you.
Yep.
It could be a whole project that you all do together.
So cute. And you could do them as little, little favors for parties. You could put 1 Oreo in a cellophane bag and tie it off and
Yes.
give it away. So yeah.
Okay, meltables and the eyes, you just get it all from Megan. Where can we find all your stuff?
So at Michael's at the craft stores and then just on sweettoothfairy.com.
Thanks,
Yeah,
Megan. Thank you
thank
for
you.
helping us make it easy. We love it.